Okay, so here's your walkthrough for the East and Southeast Asia theme map assignment. Basically, we are going to create a map based on one of the themes listed below and add an image with an appropriate marker icon. You must have a total of 6 map markers from the countries we're learning about. So, of these 15 countries that we're learning about, you must choose 6 of them. And in each country that you choose, you're going to be looking for one of these themes. Okay. So I think the thing to do here is start with your theme. What do you want your map to be about? Do you want it to be a food map? Do you want it to be a historic location or landmark map? Do you want it to be an animal map? Do you want it to be a museum map? Do you want it to be a map of flags? That's up to you. So choose your theme. And then once you've chosen your theme, then you can figure out what country you want to highlight. So I decided to go with hiking and outdoors for my theme. So let me pop over to what I have done so far. Okay, so far on my map, I have Tiananmen Mountain, which is in China. Let me zoom out for you. Okay, and then I have the Kumano Kodo. Okay, this is a outdoor hiking map. So you can see the theme is me being outside and hiking and enjoying nature. So let me show you kind of what I'm looking for here. So I'll do one with you so you get a sense. Let's choose Vietnam. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a Google image search, and I'm just going to search best hikes of Vietnam. Okay, and you can choose any of these links. I'm going to go with the top one, Tripzilla. Okay, and I'm just going to like really quickly just skim this and basically base all my decisions on what looks like something I would do, something that's interesting to me. Ooh, this looks cool. Okay, let's definitely go here. Kufyong National Park. So once I've figured out the hike I want to do, let's see, let's read it a little bit. National parks. Cool. Ooh, that looks also okay. I'm just gonna stick with this one. So I'm just gonna copy this one, Control C, and I'm gonna go to my map. I'm gonna paste it in there. This looks right. Okay. Yep, this looks like a nature reserve to me. I'm gonna add it to my map. I'm gonna get rid of the link. Okay, now in order to add an image on the pin I just dropped, I click on the camera icon. Again, I'm gonna paste in my location, Kufyong National Park. Yes, I like this one. Select. Yeah, that looks really cool. Okay, save it. And then it says I had to add an appropriate marker. So in order to add an appropriate marker, you click on Style. I'm going to go to More Icons down here. And then there's a ton to choose from. I'm going to go with Places. And this is a park. So let's see if there's like a tree icon or something. This would work. Health food. There's water. You know what? I'm just gonna go with the health food. Just because the image, the icon looks like it works for this region. I'm sure there's a better one, but I don't want to waste your guys' time. So let's go with that. If you want to change the color, feel free to change the color. I'm not grading you on that. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so there's another of a hiking outdoors location in Vietnam that I can add to my map. Okay, so I think the hard part is going to be Googling these. Like, let's say you do an animal map. Okay, I've given you some like search terms to include. So you would be like, let's say I'm doing animals. So I would do like famous animals of China. So I'm just going to do that. Famous animals of China. I mean, there's so many to choose. Okay, I mean, obviously the giant panda, right? So for my map, this one's an easy one. You would just do, since I'm in China already, you would just drop a pin. So boom, boom, panda. Okay, and then add an image, Google image search, panda. I mean, yes, this one, obviously. Boom. Okay, so it's that simple. I feel like the animal one will be pretty easy. You might struggle with the architectural buildings. I think you can do it, but I think it'll be hard. Flags will be easy. Again, you'll just be dropping pins for each location and then adding the flag of that country. Okay, so you will need a total of 6 markers. I'm trying to think what I'm missing here. I think that's about it. I'm going to make a video that just shows you how to create locations. But if you guys are struggling with this, you can always email me or I'll be around on Zoom this week too, right? All right. Good luck. 6 markers, 6 images, and choose a theme that interests you. Okay? Bye bye.